Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a book that you have read many times. Please.
Okay, the book I often read is Eloquent JavaScript, which is written by Kent Sidos, American writer and software engineer. So I have read this book many times. I have polished my skills by reading this book and gained adequate knowledge about programming. The first time I read this book was then when my professor recommended me to gain some more knowledge about the fundamentals. So uh, I like this book very much because the simplicity and the concepts are explained very well. I have got a good understanding of concepts as well as enhanced my learning experience and logical thinking. I can handle complex logics very well now, so I will definitely read its incoming editions as well, and I will definitely recommend this book to other people.
Okay,
To
that's good. 1 minute, 9 seconds. Overall, it's good, but just try to speak actively, energetically. Okay, and
okay,
speak pleasantly, excitedly, frankly, as if you are taking interest and you are interested to tell others what what you have and all that stuff, right? That thing will improve it further. Overall, your sentence structure is good. Okay, now we move on to speaking part 3. Do you prefer books, or do you prefer reading books or watching movies?
okay, it depends on people's taste. So some people like movies to watch, and
But my
some
question is about you. Do you prefer to read books or to watch movies?
I would definitely prefer to read books because it enhances knowledge and uh, it involves the thinking as well as. So I personally like to read books instead of watching
Okay.
movies.
Do you think it is important to read books?
Yes, it is important to read books. People now do not read books, but I think it is important. Yes.
All right, answer is short. For part 3, your answers are short and mainly you're making simple sentences. Try
Mhm.
to make compound sentences. Connect your ideas, it'll be better. And for part 3, pay some special attention. Looking
Mhm.
at your overall performance, at present, I'll give you 6 pen,
Mhm.
right? If you work harder on your grammar and speak actively, and in part 3, if you give full answers,
Mm.
you can improve it as well, right? Thank you.
Okay.